Hello everyone! Welcome back to Asian European Life. Today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano bumili ng 9 euro ticket. Special offer po yan ng German Rails. So guys, andito na tayo sa ticket machine. Bibili tayo ng 9 euro ticket. I-click lang natin yung 9 euro and then lalabas itong month of June, July, and August. Syempre pipiliin ko yung July kasi nakabili na ako ng ticket for June. And then, proceed tayo sa payments. Ayan. You can pay with your card at pwede rin kayo magbayad ng cash or bill. And then, yan. At syempre, dahil card ang ginamit ko, I need to put my PIN number. Habang inaantay natin yung ticket, lalabas na yan dyan maya-maya. Etong 9 euro ticket na to is very powerful because it's valid to travel in whole Germany, guys. Ayan siya. I hope you like this video. Goodbye!